Hi! In this quick demo, we'll illustrate how you can use Netwrix solutions to ensure the security of your sensitive data and pass compliance audits with less effort and expense. Meet Rob. He's just been hired by Best Company as its first IT security manager. To get started on the right foot, he decides to adopt the NIST cybersecurity framework. Let's see how Netwrix solutions help him. First, he needs to learn about the current security status of the company's IT systems and identify the security gaps. Rob can see at a glance that the company's overall risk level is high, which means there's a lot of work ahead. He gets started by reviewing the key risk indicators. He can see right away that there are a lot of shared folders accessible by everyone, which means that Best Company is at serious risk of a data breach and penalties for non-compliance. Rob decides to dig deeper and see just how many files containing sensitive information are stored on these shared folders. 1,020 files containing PCI DSS data on a public share? That's a lot. The next step is to protect this data. With Netwrix solutions, Rob can automatically quarantine all the overexposed files until he can get back to them and make proper remediation decisions. He just needs to set up a workflow and define the rules. Perfect. Now all files that contain PCI DSS data will be automatically moved to a secure location, and Rob will be notified when it happens. The workflow will stay active in case more files with sensitive data pop up in the wrong place in the future. Suddenly, Rob gets an alert. T. Simpson has removed a massive amount of data from SharePoint. Has Rob just detected a security breach, or was the deletion just part of a normal SharePoint cleanup procedure? Interactive search is a good way to investigate this unusual activity and make an informed decision about how to respond. Here are all the actions related to T. Simpson. The account was created by J. Carter and then gradually given permissions to the data that was just removed from SharePoint. Let's run another search to review J. Carter's activity. That account is currently disabled. It was removed from privileged groups and then disabled. Wait a minute. J. Carter is the IT manager that got fired. This is looking more and more suspicious. What if J. Carter performed other illicit actions in any of Best Company's IT systems? And here we are. He also accessed the CEO's mailbox right before his account was disabled. Looks like Rob has just successfully uncovered 2 security incidents. Now Rob has to recover from them. Let's take a closer look at the important files that T. Simpson removed. Rob will send this report to the IT team so they can restore the deleted files before there are any business disruptions. He'll also notify the CEO about the mailbox access. To avoid similar incidents in the future, Rob decides to hold regular entitlement reviews. That process will help him spot excessive permissions to critical data in a timely manner so he can revoke them before they can be misused. Now Rob can get back and check how the overall risk level of the organization has improved and use this hard data to prove to his managers and auditors that he's making the organization more secure today than it was yesterday. Speaking of auditors, it's time for Rob to turn to audit preparation. Since PCI DSS requires Best Company to maintain a firewall configuration that protects cardholder data, Rob subscribes Jane, the lead network administrator, to reports about the company's network devices. In addition, Jane will create an alert to be notified whenever anyone else makes a change to the configuration of a network device. She'll attach a custom script to the alert so the originating IP address will automatically be blacklisted. By building similar processes for other PCI DSS requirements and having hard data to prove they're in place, Rob will be able to demonstrate to auditors that Best Company is proactively looking for issues and can remediate them before it's too late. These are just some of the ways that Netwrix solutions are helping over 7,000 organizations around the world secure their sensitive data and pass compliance audits with less effort and expense. Visit Netwrix.com to learn more about Netwrix solutions, take an interactive in-browser demo, and get a price quote tailored to your specific needs.